we are again, doing what we love to do. We are in Thornton, New Hampshire. Oh, a little slippery. I think I already need my spikes. And we are doing the very famous, most popular loop hike, the Welch Dickey loop hike, 4.5 miles, about 1,500 feet elevation. And as you can see, beautiful water crossings. Yeah, I had to put my spikes on already. It's very slippery. I'm not taking the chance of falling and hurting myself again. Yeah, this is a very popular hike. There are only, being a Wednesday, there's only 4 cars in the parking lot. You know us. We love the trail to ourselves. And we are the last ones to leave the parking lot. So we shouldn't really pass anyone because it's a loop. And we're gonna take our time. So we're still getting into mountain shape, so we're just gonna enjoy the views on this one. Right, Chew? He's raring to go. Take him off leash in a little bit. And we're gonna be heading up. That's the quad burner. We're heading up that way. We make our way down the ridgeline to open ridgeline, and just views for miles. Oh, that's a nice picture. Yeah, that's a nice picture. Okay. Gorgeous. And he's ready to go. We got a dog in front of us, so Chewy always trying to play catch up. But yep, that's our next thing to conquer. All right. Well, we're gonna have a quick water break, and we're gonna get to that. I'll show you guys some of the views when we get up to that bear spot up there. Really nice. Okay. Continuing. Oh, what a beautiful day. So we've been making our way up that slab, and it's tough just because there's some slushy spots, then some bare spots. I'm debating on whether I want to take my spikes off. I don't think I need them anymore. So I think I'm gonna relax right here at this cairn and take them off and just soak in the views from time to time. But it's just beautiful hike, beautiful hike. Okay, see you guys when we get up onto the open. But look at this on the way up. It's gonna be constant views on the way up. So that's what makes it such a popular hike. All right, Chewy is not waiting for me. Now you get some of this runoff here. That's what's slippery. So I'm gonna put the GoPro away because it's a lot coming down right on the path. I'm just gonna work my way through that and get off this big old slab here. I mean, this is a big piece of granite. Look at this. Whew. But oh, the views are just breathtaking. You even watch Chewy soaking in the views sometimes. Right, Bubba? Yeah. Yeah, you can see the angle. I think the steepest we're at is about 65 degree. So it's a workout. You do not want to slip and fall because you're going for a ride. So I'm gonna really concentrate. I'll see you guys at the top. Take some epic pics. We're kind of making our way around that ridge line, and we get to see the other mountain peaks on the other side here. You know, once we get to the top, I'm pretty sure you get 360 views. It's the road we came in on. You can hear it faintly. I can hear the cars, but other than that, it's quiet as can be. I had to put the spikes back on. A couple sketchy areas, but look, now I gotta keep them on, but I'm ruining them. It's okay. Look at this mountain goat. We're coming up to the peak. I can't get enough of these views. Pretty sure right over that hump right there, we're finally done with the elevation. And it's been, as you could see when I showed you that first outlook, it's a butt kicker. There's really no breaks. You get the occasional flat area to catch your breath, but yeah, you don't stop till the very top. I mean, it is ranked as a hard hike, and it's a little tougher in the soft snow at the top, but man, these views is second to none. Chewy's so far ahead. I have to keep calling him a couple times. Oh boy. All right, let's get to that peak. Okay, we're at a first peak. Beautiful. It's so clear how you can see into the ravines. Huh, Bubba? Real pretty, huh? Come here, Chewy. Where are you going? Get over here. Come on, mountain goat. All right. Now we're gonna have a quick snack. It's probably around lunchtime, but we're gonna keep going. We'll head over to the next peak and then make our way down, which is really fun. It's a fun way down. Just open views. But we're gonna dip down into the woods a little and then come back up. So a little more elevation to gain, but not too much. A few hundred feet, give or take. All right, break time. Right, Bubba? There's the top of the slab. I thought might have been the top. All we did was just go up a different way, so we did ended up climbing, just a different angle. I don't know how much further we have. I think I just let the GoPro go. He's got endless energy. Then we get to the vehicle, he sleeps the whole way home. Oh, that's beautiful. Obviously that's where we came from. There's a nice little down and up. But I feel good. Yeah, we're close. Yeah, just over this top here. We'll be on the peak. Epic view time. Okay, so we're at the peak of Dickey, and we're gonna start descending, and we're gonna be on open slabs all the way down. But yeah, that wasn't a bad up and down. Feeling good. Energy gel kicked in. I'm ready to run, but it feels good to get out here on a perfect day. I was kind of worried. I know there's supposed to be a big rainstorm moving in after midnight. So, but to see it blue like this, lucky. So yeah, we'll make our way down because the views just get better as we go. Chewy, you're going off trail, Bubba. I think. Where is the trail? I'm pretty sure this is the trail. I think people just go over there for the views or the mistake. But you could see some of the, you know, you could fall pretty far in. So I'm trying to stay on trail. You could see, look at the post, look at, that's crazy how deep it goes. Back into the woods. The views are gone now, which was just pretty much 2 hours, 2.5 hours straight views. as you can see, you can see why it's one of the more popular hikes in New Hampshire. For 4.5 miles, you get views for more than half of the hike, and that's why we love it. So get to spread some of my dad's ashes at the peaks. So main reason why we came back and why we're visiting some of our favorites that we've already done is just so I can spread some of my dad's ashes at the mountains that I love and the hikes that I love. So that's about it. We'll be hiking again next week. We'll be in Freetown State Forest. I don't know if I might upload a quick video. Nothing too special. Just gonna be showing one of my buddies the Freetown State Forest, and I'll be hiking up in Vermont in April, late April, after the melt, with Alex Petikoff from Small Town Monsters channel, and be doing Beyond the Trail investigation in Vermont, and me and Chewy gonna go with him. So it should be a fun couple days in April. But other than that, feeling good. Life is good. Glad to be healthy again and hiking. So until the next time, be safe out there and have fun.